They're really keen, aren't they? You know, they want to know what it's like. I thought it was very good, I thought.
Good homemade. I think we should have a lot more homemade food. They've seen what we do, and I reckon they'll go home and try to make it for themselves, most likely.
I think it's really nice to get around New South Wales schools and inform people about other cultures and how they came about. It's pretty cool.
It's going to benefit both generations, our seniors and our young people. I mean, it's such a beautiful opportunity. Sometimes I feel that, I wish I'd asked so many questions myself.